This video is explaining what wires to connect to your control box and a 1 horsepower submersible pump. This pump is an Imeshbean. See if I can get a better picture there on it. And the Imeshbean for 110 volt. It's a 1 horsepower pump. There's the box. Came in. Instruction manual. And here's the control box. Now the problem with the instructions on the control box, if you're not comfortable with electricity, is the connections go on opposite sides. So you can see you have the 4 connections right here. So where do they go? You have these 4 wires that must go somewhere, and there are 4 openings. So let's take a quick look. You can see that you have green here, and you'll put green on this side. Then you have to reverse to the opposite side for your red, your white, and your black. So red, white, and black go in this side. These little screws get screwed out. You can put your bare wire in, screw it down to connect to a piece of the insulation that it will actually hold it in place so you have good connections on it. So the thing that confused me was that the green wire goes on the opposite side as the other 3 wires. But that's it. It's very simple. You just take those 4 wires and connect them. Green, then red, white, and black. It took me quite a while to figure out what it was. Again, an Imeshbean. One horsepower. It comes with this one came with 100 feet of cord, 1 1/4 inch pipe. So that's it. It's that simple in connecting the wire.